Alright, so I am making wellness shots today. We have some lemon, some ginger, lime, and some turmeric. This is kind of the base, but I'm going to be adding in more things later. So I'm letting this soak in ACV. If you've watched any of my videos before, you already know the deal. So I'm going to rinse these and peel and get them prepped to go in the blender. Alright, so I have everything peeled. I took the skin off of the lemons and limes, and I peeled the ginger and the turmeric. This is what I'm also adding: some spring water, some cayenne pepper, olive oil, some grounded turmeric, and black pepper. This is what it's looking like so far. I put in the ginger, turmeric, the lemon, lime. Also added in a ton of cayenne pepper, more turmeric, and some black pepper. And so now I'm just going to add in the olive oil and some spring water. All right, so I'm going to pour in about 1/3 cup of olive oil. And I know that seems like a lot, but it helps us absorb the turmeric better. That and black pepper, so I'm just going to throw that in there. And then I'm going to do about 1 cup of spring water. So I got a little happy with the spring water. It's almost about 3 cups, but I'm sure that will be good, and this should last me for a week or so. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it, strain it. If you watched my videos before, you already know it's good. I love you much. It's not enough. You love me when I love her. And life is like a pie, and I'm a tiny penny rolling up the walls inside. We only said goodbye with words. I died 100 times. This is the final product, and this should last me a good week. And that's pretty much it.